Well, another day here on the farm. It's stormy weather today. It has been for the past few days, and hopefully we'll get some more rain, and everything's just coming up. As you can see, the oat field is doing good, and we have a new calf born today. They're coming out a lot, and that's what we've been expecting. And we're just here. We're gonna feed again. Here, show you a cow feed. As you can see, that one sitting on the ground, that looks pretty new. So we're gonna tag it. This might be wild. It might have to be the bodyguard. Whatever, I'll do what I have to do. Oh, quick. Okay, that was easy. As you can see, we're gonna have to feed again. The trough's empty. The other one over there is too. You can't see it though. Yeah, it's another cool one. There's a bunch of them coming out, which is pretty nice. I don't know, we kind of have a little herd of them now. They just came one by one and more at a time, and they just started coming. So now we kind of have a herd of black baldies. Not too long ago, about a week ago, we had one born, and it didn't have it had a black head, so it was not a black baldy, but we'll take it, you know. So. And as you can see, with the stormy weather, look at the mountain. There's usually two peaks up there, and it's rolled over with clouds and snow. And as you can see, the dirt's wet also, so yeah. I'm gonna go over here and handle the gate. So, yeah, there's been a lot of wet, windy, and cold days. You know, it's spring, but it's acting like winter again. And right here is a problem. We're going to have to move this to open the gate. Trying to climb over this fence here. Okay. Muddy.